Quantic MBA Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're considering MBA and came across Quantic, you might be drawn to the free tuition promise, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's completely free without any hidden costs. Quantic offers an online MBA program with zero upfront tuition for students who qualify. There are no standard tuition fees, but students must apply, pass an entrance evaluation, and may incur costs for optional materials, brochuring, or graduation fees. Total estimated optional expenses are around zero over the program. What you get: accredited MBA degree, flexible online learning, access to global alumni network, and interactive coursework. What you give up or must consider: time commitment of 12-17 months, rigorous curriculum, and potential extra costs for optional exams or materials. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Check if you meet admission criteria. Highly selective. Step 2. Compare program content with traditional MBAs, core courses, electives, and networking opportunities. Step 3. Factor in time and optional costs. Zero tuition dosed means zero investment. Step 4. Consider career ROI. Networking and placement support are crucial. You won't believe what happens next if you enroll without understanding the rigor. You might struggle with pacing or underestimate workload. The surprising truth is that while tuition is free, completing MBA requires serious dedication and some financial planning for optional fees. In conclusion, Quantic offers a highly innovative, flexible, and cost-effective MBA alternative, but success depends on commitment. Evaluate carefully and make sure the time and optional costs fit your goals.